welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. You know what I realized? I have some chicken fried rice, shrimp fried rice, pork fried rice, but I have no beef fried rice on the channel. So today let's make some beef fried rice. Here I have like a day-old cooked rice. This is the best rice to use for fried rice, the rice that's been cooked the day before. Here I have my beef already chopped, and I'll be using some mixed vegetables, Chinese bean sprouts. I have some eggs, onions, garlic, ginger, scallions. For my sauces, I have some sweet soy sauce, regular soy sauce, and some oyster sauce. I also will be using some fried rice seasoning, Chinese 5-spice, and black pepper. So to marinate my beef, what I did was use the same sauce I mentioned before. I combined it all and added it to the beef along with some black pepper and some cornstarch. The cornstarch gives the beef a nice silky texture that I love. So what we'll do here is just combine them all, mix well, and set aside. To my preheated wok, I did add some oil, and the first thing we'll cook is our eggs. You want to scramble them and cook them until they're nice and soft. You don't want them too hard. Cook them soft, and then we'll remove it and carry on with the next step. Now we'll cook our beef. I did add some more oil to my wok, and we'll go in with half of the beef at a time. You don't want to overcrowd the wok, so we'll cook half and we will cook them until they're nice and brown. You want to have your heat on high because you don't want to cook them too long. 2 to 3 minutes, they should be perfectly cooked, and then you remove them. If you cook them long, they'll become tough and rubbery, and we don't want that. Next, we'll go in with our onions, garlic, and ginger and allow them to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. So at this point, we will add our vegetables as well as the Chinese bean sprout. Now, if you can't find Chinese bean sprout, you can omit it. You don't have to use that. We'll also add our seasonings here, mix well, and allow everything to go for about 2 minutes. Remember that some of the sauces and seasonings that I'm using can be found on my Amazon storefront. The link will be in my description box for those that are interested. Next, you want to add your rice as well as some of the sauces to add color and flavor to the rice. You want to mix until fully combined. You don't want any white patches in the rice once we're done. So as long as that's nicely mixed in, the last thing we'll add is our beef, eggs, and green onions. Give that a good stir, and that's it. We're all done. You have homemade beef fried rice, and trust me, it's better than any takeout. It's a quick weeknight dinner your entire family will enjoy. And here you have it, homemade beef fried rice. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, and enjoy.